Hey there, future biomedical engineers! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of titration. This technique helps us understand chemical reactions with precision. Titration is like a delicate dance between chemicals. We're looking for that perfect balance point. Titration is used in many fields, from medicine to environmental science. At its core, titration is all about determining the unknown concentration of a solution by reacting it with a solution of known concentration. Think of it like solving a chemical puzzle. The solution we're analyzing is called the analyte, and the solution with the known concentration is called the titrant. The titrant is carefully added to the analyte until they react completely. This point where the reaction is complete is called the endpoint or equivalence point. We often use a color-changing indicator to signal the endpoint. Before we start our titration adventure, safety comes first. Remember to wear your lab coat, gloves, and safety goggles to protect yourself from any splashes or spills. Now, let's gather our essential tools. First, the burette, our precision instrument for delivering the titrant drop by drop. Next, the pipette for accurately measuring and transferring a specific volume of the analyte. Then, the beaker or Erlenmeyer flask, the reaction vessel where the titration magic happens. And finally, the indicator, our color-changing sidekick that signals the endpoint. Section 4. Prepping for precision. Cleaning and priming your burette. A clean burette is crucial for accurate results. Before we begin, we need to make sure our burette is squeaky clean and free of any contaminants that could interfere with our titration. First, rinse the burette with distilled water several times, ensuring all surfaces are thoroughly clean. Next, we'll prime the burette with the titrant solution. This step ensures that the entire burette is filled with the titrant, eliminating any air bubbles that could affect our volume measurements. Section 5. Titration in action. A step-by-step guide. Using a pipette, measure the analyte and transfer it to the beaker. Add a few drops of the indicator. Fill the burette with the titrant solution. Slowly add the titrant while swirling the flask. The indicator will start to change color. The endpoint is reached when the color change persists. Section 6. Mastering titration. Tips for accuracy and troubleshooting. Control the flow. Add the titrant slowly and steadily, especially near the endpoint. Swirl consistently. Ensure thorough mixing to prevent localized concentration variations. Watch for the endpoint. Be patient and observant as you approach the color change. Air bubbles. Be gone. Eliminate any air bubbles in the burette tip as they can affect volume readings. Section 7. From lab to life. Applications of titration. Titration plays a vital role in numerous real-world applications, including medical diagnostics, determining blood glucose levels, pharmaceutical industry, ensuring accurate medication concentration, food industry, measuring beverage acidity and dairy fat content, environmental monitoring, analyzing water pollutants. That's titration in a nutshell. Practice makes perfect. The more you titrate, the more confident you'll become. Keep those safety goggles on and never stop exploring chemistry.